Good evening. Tomorrow I am racing, but I've just done my kind of activation session, if you like, on Zwift, just to get my legs ready to race tomorrow. And the reason that I'm filming now is because I asked you what you wanted to see on my race videos, and you said you wanted to see kind of like the run up to it and what I should do in preparation, because, and this is like another reason that I'm doing it, is on my last video where I couldn't clip in, there were a couple, I don't normally get very many, like, I don't mind criticism if it's constructive, but some of these comments were just plain nasty. And a few people were basically saying that I'm not taking racing seriously, that I need to just like stop making it, how did they say it? Basically that I was just crap and that my team shouldn't, they should basically get someone else because I'm not taking it seriously. And that really, really wound me up, and I was like, how dare you? Like, and I feel like, even though like on the day in that video I was making kind of like light of it, I take it seriously. Like I guess maybe it's not come across, I do take it seriously. If I'm going to a race, if I'm driving 2 hours to a race or like whatever on a Friday night, on a Wednesday night, on a Saturday, I'm spending my whole Saturday or my whole Sunday, I'm doing it because I'm wanting to improve. I'm doing it because I want to place. Like, I'm not doing it just for like the laugh of like just go in to experience it, oh it'll be fine. Like, I'm doing it because I actually want to win. Like, why else would anyone race? And I feel like maybe that hasn't come across, and maybe I was just kind of laughing it off because I was embarrassed because I couldn't freaking clip in. And me showing you this before every single race that I ever do, the day before I do a 30-45 minute activation ride before it, it's prep for it. And I make sure that, like, I don't know, it's just really bugged me. And I don't want you to feel like that I'm not taking it serious. I'm not taking it too seriously, like I'm like crying myself to sleep because I couldn't clip in, but I am taking it seriously. I want to do well for the team, and yeah, no one could have been more disappointed than me after the last race. And I guess that's the same, this is going to be a long video, but I guess that's the same for like all my Audaxes and stuff as well, or like long distance rides, or like All Points North. This same person was really negative about me not finishing All Points North. I think I'm potentially just going to block them from the channel because they're just not very nice. And just basically saying like, I'm just crap and why would I even bother trying to do it? And I don't normally respond to like negative comments. I just delete them or just block them. But that really got to me. And I'm like, if you ever see me set out to do something, no matter how I might appear, I'm doing it because I want to complete it, and I'm doing it because I want to do well in it. So I thought I'd just get that off my chest. So yeah, I've done a 45-minute session. I'm going to go to bed soon because it's still light, but I'm going to bed about like 9:30, so that my legs are rested, that I'm well rested for the race tomorrow. So I guess I will see you on race day, which is tomorrow. So sorry for the rant, just felt like I needed to share that. And also, I also should add that one comment doesn't take away from all the lovely positive comments that you lot have given me. So I take the mean ones with a little pinch of salt, but I just felt like I want to address that. So thank you for your lovely comments on the other stuff. Right, I am talking for a long time and I need to go and shower, so I'll see you tomorrow.
22 on the start line.
Is there? 22 on the start line. So I'm in Nottingham, and yeah, got another race. This is a fourth cut specifically, so I feel like hopefully this will pan out a little bit better for me. So I'm feeling really prepared. No tummy ache today. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling strong, and it's just 2 hours all the way from Manchester. So it's only 30 minutes as well, so I think this will probably suit me. I've not seen the course yet, so I'm going to go up, have a few laps, warm up, and hopefully someone will hold the camera for me while we are riding. So I'm going to head over now. Just met Elle. Elle is here. She's just nipped to the toilet, and yeah, let's go. Oh yeah. Wish I could.
Right, bend over.
Oh!
I'm going to stab myself with a pin.
Have you put your battery in this time?
Oh, it's clicked. No, it's alright. It's just clicked onto that. Yeah, it's going, but just hold it and I'll change it after. Okay. gone on to centre now.
There it is.
Look at her back up there.
Hello.
I know.
I swear it's in a live like that.
The stance.
What's that position?
This is my winning position.
So you're going to clip in this time, Katie? Come on! Go, go, go!
Elle's eating a nice snack before the race.
I needed some sugar.
I just want to get on it. I just want to get on. Like these guys do.
You can if you want.
Sorry.
Right, so just come back off the race. I came 5th, I think. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was really tight corners. I realised that I need to practice my cornering, I think. So I'm going to head to Tameside and get some better cornering in. Because I can build up the speed and the pace on the straight bits, but it's just on the corner. I'll just let myself down a bit. But what did it look like for you? How do you think it went?
Every time I saw you in a corner, you were at the back.
Yeah.
So it felt like you were breaking into it and couldn't get around it at potential.
I think that's true. That's what I need to work on. See,
And
that's
you
good
were
to see.
looking at other people's lines and rather than concentrating on your own.
Oh really? That's good feedback. I think I'm just
I'll wait until this is turned off and then I'll give you a tip.
Give me
on
a
the
full
corner.
rundown. No, go for it. Go on.
No,
It's
no,
good
because
for
I don't
me
want
to know.
everyone to know.
Oh, secret. See, I've got a secret coach.
It's the only advantage I've got when I'm racing.
But yeah, it was good. So I think because I've not got a very good sprint on the last, I went on. There were 2.5 laps to go, so I just kind of went for it, and then they just were still on my wheel. So I feel like I should have maybe, don't know, gone a bit later maybe. But then it's just on the corners. Not always gonna let myself down, but on this particular occasion, let myself down on the corner. So definitely something I need to work on. But yeah, I'm all right with 5th. I clipped it in. Flat.
How nice is that?
Got Elle's handbag. You didn't take that round, were you?
Yeah, I rode like this. Got DQ for not wearing a helmet.
Gangster.
It's a really nice complex here.
It's bloody massive.
And that track is faster than the Brownie by far. It's flat, fast and tight.
It's a lot of tight corners.
It's a lot of tight corners.
Thank you so much. And
all
thank you
right.
for the tips and thank you for filming for me.
Oh, I didn't give you any tips. No.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Right, let's get airdropping.
Right.
So thank you so much.
It's all right.
Let's do it. So you are the local club?
Beeston, yeah. Yeah. But I live in Sheffield.
Maybe I'll ride over. Give me some more tips on the
Yeah.
on the
Feel good
corners.
for a ride?
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. So that was the crit. And I kind of want to come on here because I feel like I want to make a bit of a confession. So on the last 2 laps, I basically went for it. And I was like putting like everything I had into it. And then there was some other rider, sorry, someone in the car next to me, and she's probably thinking, what the hell is she doing with that camera? And there were like maybe 3 or 4 riders that we'd lapped, and it was right on the corner, and they were kind of across the whole of the corner, so I couldn't like get round. I was kind of just, basically, I was a bit of a dick, and I was just like, excuse me, please, just on your right. They didn't hear, obviously, or they didn't really know what to do. And I was like, please get out of the way. And I don't ever, it's not very sportsmanlike, and I feel pretty embarrassed about it, and I just wasn't very nice. And I know racing is like, there is some more of that, and I just feel like I just want to apologise on here for being a bit of a dick. So yeah, now I've got that off my chest. Please forgive me. But yeah, that's that. See you next video. What the hell's got, is that a parrot?
No. 2 pigeons.
Looks like a bloody parrot.
It's mating
from here.
season.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah.